Yes, people. Okay, right now in this video, we're going to take a look at how to build wealth through real estate investing. So we're on assets for life. So let's take a look here. 5 easy ways to build wealth through property investing. So real estate. So investing your money in property can be an excellent way to build wealth over time. You can generate a steady stream of income and gain value appreciation over time. However, getting started in property investing can seem daunting, especially if you're new to the game. But don't worry, because you can see more information here when it comes to property investing and how it can help you build wealth. So, if you buy a property, there is potential there when it comes to renting it out and making money and revenue. So one of the most straightforward and common ways to build wealth through property investing is to purchase a property with rental potential. By renting out the property, you can generate a passive income stream or semi-passive that can be used for other investments or to pay off your mortgage faster. The key is to do your research and find a property in a desirable location that is affordable and easy to manage. Or you can work with property management companies to assist you as well. So the idea is to find a property that's in half decent condition where you can purchase it. If it requires work, you can do work on it and then turn it around and get it on the market for rental and then start to get a monthly income for that as you go along. Flipping a property for a profit. Now, another way by building wealth through real estate and property investing is to flip a property for a profit. This involves buying an undervalued property, renovating it, and then selling it for a profit. While this strategy is riskier than buying a property for rental income, it can also yield higher returns. It just depends on how long it actually takes to A, refurb, and then B, sell. Just be sure to carefully evaluate the renovation costs, obviously the demand in the market, and have a solid understanding of the local property market context and the real estate in that particular area. Okay, invest in property investment trusts. Not that many people know about this one, but if you're not interested in the hands on work of property, the nitty gritty, getting down and dirty of real estate investment and building wealth through property and real estate, consider investing in a property investment trust. There are companies that own or finance income producing property, such as office buildings, apartments, commercial buildings, hotels, and so on. These trusts can be publicly traded in the stock market, providing you with the opportunity to invest in an income producing property portfolio without the headache of actually managing the property yourself. You can also buy a distressed property. Distressed properties are those that are in poor condition or have been foreclosed on by the bank. These properties are often sold at a discount. So you might find a property somewhere where it's run down, maybe it's missing a roof even, or there's a lot of issues with it. But this presents an opportunity for savvy investors to purchase a property below market value and renovate it for resale or rental income. And obviously, if you've got some sort of construction skills, it's even better because you can do half the work yourself. While there is a risk involved in purchasing distressed properties, it can be a great way to build wealth efficiently. Okay, so vacation rentals. So let's take a look here. Vacation rentals can be excellent ways to generate passive income. For example, if you buy a vacation rental space or property somewhere in the countryside, you might find people, want to book it for like a weekend getaway, that kind of stuff. That can help you generate semi passive income or passive income, especially if the property is in a desirable area. Like I said, countryside, lake district, or the lakes or whatever. That said, it's important to do your research and understand the costs associated with owning a vacation rental. You need to check out the local municipality council rules as well, because there might be prohibition there as well. Also, look at property management fees and maintenance expenses for the property itself. However, if executed correctly with enough thorough research, vacation rentals can be a steady source of income that can help you build wealth over time. Maybe even put on Airbnb or Booking.com or have your own website as well. Investing in property or real estate can be hard or difficult, or many people might fear it, but it can be a tool to help you build wealth over time. There are several ways to get started. So whether you're opting to purchase a property with rental potential, so you might not have the upfront capital upfront by yourself. You might want a partner, the JV partner, an investor, or maybe someone like a friend or something, and go half half, for example. Share the risk, and obviously then it'll cost you half the value of the property there as well. And you can do many things like flipping a property, investing in property trust, purchase distressed properties, other mediums of getting properties for short-term rentals, holiday rentals. There are different ways and opportunities right now in the current marketplace for you to build wealth through real estate and property investing. Main thing is, the key is to do your own research, your own due diligence, because it can be risky. Evaluate the options, speak to get legal advice, speak to mentors, speak to those who have already bought properties in the property game or the real estate sector, and then make smart investment decisions that adhere with your long-term financial goals. There you have it, people. So that was Asset for Life. Different tips there and hacks in regards to building wealth over time through real estate investing and property investing. Okay, people, do let us know in the comment section below what you think about that. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.